Hi guys, so this is a tutorial for Chanson de Noël. Okay, it's basically made of 3 chords. Actually, you could play it with 4 chords, but I decided to simplify it. So we're just gonna use 3 chords, which is C, A minor, and F. And when you play that song, and then you go back to C. When you play that song, make sure that you do the A minor with the middle finger, so you can put your index on E1 for F, right? So C, A minor, F, and C, all right? So let me share with you the chart. Okay, here we go. So we're having 1 C here, 1 A minor, 1 F, 1 C, right? So it's like N, C, N, A minor, voici venir, F, les reines, C. And then I do it again, see, because right there it says repeat 4 times. So then we go on the second line and we play the same chords. Oh, oh, nous aurons des cadeaux, right? Makes sense? And then third line, E, then A minor, E, F, les enfants sont joyeux, C, and then I'm going back to the last. L with a C, then L with an A minor, C, L, le soir de Noël, and then C. All right? So if I start sharing and I'm going here, so N, N, voici venir les reines, right? Après, O, O, nous aurons des cadeaux. And then still the same order of the chords. C, A minor, F, C. E, E, les enfants sont joyeux. L, L, c'est le soir de Noël. Alright? Always C, A minor, F, C. Okay? And when we do the chorus, it's the same thing, but as we saw on the page here, it's twice as many chords. So 2 Cs, 2 A minor, 2 F, and 2 Cs. So Noel C, Noel A minor, N O E F F, L C C. Okay, so like this. Noel, Noel, N O E L. Right? So without the chart now. Noel, Noel, N O E L. Again. Noel, C C, Noel, A minor, N O E F F, L C. Here we go. Good luck.